Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So choosing the right place to host your online business can be tough. Today we're looking at Skool, Circle, and Whop, so you can see which one fits your goals. Whether you're building an online course, growing a paid community, or selling digital products, the platform you choose can affect how your members interact, how easily you manage your business, and how much you can grow in the future. Let's compare what makes each platform different and find out which one makes the most sense for your specific needs. First up is Skool. This platform is built for simplicity and keeping your members active. It combines your community discussion forum, your online courses, and a calendar for live events all into one single dashboard. Instead of managing separate tools for courses, discussions, and events, everything is organized in one place. This makes it easier for creators who want a simple setup without dealing with complicated software. The best part about Skool is how it uses games. Members earn points and badges just by chatting and liking posts. This friendly competition pushes people to show up and talk every day. Gamification can be a powerful way to increase engagement because members feel motivated to participate and become part of the community. It can turn a simple course or group into a more active learning environment. If you want something that is easy to set up and fun for your users, Skool is a great choice. It works especially well for creators, coaches, and educators who want to focus more on building relationships with their audience rather than managing technical features. Next is Circle. If you want a professional custom space that feels like your own website, Circle is the way to go. It gives you deep control over your branding and how you organize your group. Instead of just one big feed, you can create separate spaces for different topics, private chats, or distinct student groups. This organization makes Circle a strong option for larger communities where different members may need different discussions, resources, or access levels. It also includes powerful tools to send automated messages, run weekly live streams, and track your data. These features help creators build a more structured experience. You can welcome new members automatically, announce events, analyze engagement, and create a more professional community journey. It looks and feels highly premium, making it perfect for established brands and creators who need advanced features. For businesses that already have an audience and want their community to feel like a dedicated platform, Circle provides more customization and flexibility. Finally, we have Whop. Whop is different because it's a massive digital marketplace. It's not just for community groups. You can use Whop to sell almost anything, including software, PDF files, trading signals, or even access to a private Discord server. It acts like an e-commerce store for creators. This makes it useful for entrepreneurs who want to combine community building with digital product sales. Instead of only creating discussions, you can create an entire business around your audience. You can pick and choose the exact apps you want to use on your page. This flexibility allows creators to build a setup that matches their business model, whether they are selling educational content, memberships, digital downloads, or online services. The biggest difference between these three is how they charge you. Skool offers a basic plan for $9 or a full plan for $99 a month. This pricing model can work well for creators who want predictable monthly costs and are focused mainly on community engagement. Circle starts at $89 a month and goes up if you want more tools. Because it focuses on advanced features and customization, it is better suited for creators and businesses that need a more professional community experience. Whop has no monthly subscription at all. Instead, they take a small percentage of every sale you make. This can be attractive for beginners because you don't have to pay upfront costs. You only pay when you generate revenue. So the right choice depends on your goals. Choose Skool if you want a simple, engaging community platform with built-in courses and gamification. Choose Circle if you want a premium branded community with advanced management tools. Choose Whop if your main goal is selling digital products and building a creator-focused marketplace. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share.